Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss special purpose books, purchase books. Okay, earlier we had already discussed about the meaning of special purpose books. Okay, or we call it as subsidiary books. Okay, when the business is expanding, the number of transactions increase. It becomes difficult to maintain a single book. Okay, as the number of transactions are more, it is better to divide the journal. Okay, and create special journals or subsidiary books as per the requirement of the business, so that the division of work is there, and one person have to concentrate on specialized transactions only. So one person, like when the subdivision of journal is done, so one accountant, in that case the transactions which are of repetitive nature will be recorded in one book. Okay, like credit purchases will be recorded in purchases book, credit sales will be recorded in sales book. In the same manner, cash transactions will be recorded in cash book. In the previous videos we had discussed about the cash book. Okay, single column cash book and double column cash book. Here in this video we will be discussing about purchases book. Okay, in purchases book we will be recording credit purchases. Okay, so following special purpose books we will be discussing cash book. We have already discussed in the previous 3 videos. Purchases book, it will be discussed in this video today with few examples. Then purchase return book, sales book for credit sales, sales return book, and journal proper. The transactions which are not recorded in the first 5 will be recorded in journal proper. Okay, in our course we have these 6 subsidiary books. Okay, there can be many more as per the requirement of the business. Okay, purchase book or purchase journal. Okay, it records all the credit purchases of goods. Okay, if goods are purchased in cash, it will be recorded in cash book. If other items are purchased, like fixed assets are purchased, whether it is purchased if it is purchased for cash, it will be recorded in cash book, and if it is purchased on credit, it will be recorded in journal proper. Now we will take one illustration, okay, of the book, our book. I am not taking any other illustration, so that you can refer to the book also. Okay, so according to this illustration, Messrs. Narayan and Company of Delhi, this book we have to maintain, purchase book. So it has purchased, see the first transaction. Okay, it is purchased from Messrs. Brown and Company of Kolkata. Okay, here in this particular question we are not involving GST and all. Okay, so it is there, purchased from the paper company Delhi. Okay, second transaction. And third is we are purchasing from Messrs. Verma Brothers. All are stationery items. Okay, so it will be recorded in purchases book. Now this is the format. Okay, purchases book, date is there, particular, invoice number, ledger folio, details, and amount. Messrs. Brown and Company of Kolkata, we have purchased 5 gross pencil at the rate of rupees 1200 per gross, so total it is 6000 rupees. Okay, then we have purchased 2 dozen registered at the rate of rupees 500 per dozen, so 2 into 500 is 1000, so total is 7000 less 10% trade discount 700, so it comes to rupees 6300 rupees. The second transaction was when the goods were purchased from paper company Delhi, 5 rims at the rate of 500 each, so it is 4000 rupees. Then 10 rims at the rate of 600 is 6000, so total is 10,000 rupees less 10% trade discount, it is coming 9,000 rupees. 6,300, 9,000 rupees, and then 80 Reynolds pens at the rate of rupees 5, it is 400, so total is 15,700 rupees. At the end of the month, it will be transferred to the debit of purchases account. Ledger posting of purchase book, sales book, we will be discussing later on. Now let's take illustration 2. Here they have given about invoice number. There is tube lights are purchased, bulbs are purchased. That means this businessman deals in electronic items, okay, electrical items, okay, tube light, bulbs and all. Now see the second one, April 6th, it is a cash transaction, so it will not be recorded in purchases book, it will be recorded in cash book. Then April 15th, it's a laptop, okay. Now laptop is not meant for resale, so it will also be not recorded in purchases book, okay. Now we will be recording April 1, April 10 and April 16. From on April 1st, we purchased from Joshi Brothers 10 tube lights at the rate of 200 each. Invoice bill is mentioned in the question, so it is 2000 rupees. 50 Crompton bells of 100 each, so 5000. Total is 7000 rupees. From that 7000, 10% trade discount will be deducted, so it is 6300 rupees. There is no freight charges, so the total amount is also 6300 rupees. Then on April 10, 25 heaters were purchased from Rajesh. 25 into 800 each is 20,000 rupees. Then 15 Crompton fans at the rate of 1600 is 24,000 rupees. The total of 20,000 and 24,000 is 44,000 rupees. On this 44,000 rupees, 10% trade discount is allowed. After allowing 10% trade discount, the amount payable is 39,600. No transportation charges, so total amount is also 39,600 rupees. Then on April 16th, from Supreme Electrical Stores, bulbs were purchased at the rate of 100 each. So 5 dozen Philips pen or Philips bulbs, okay. So in 1 dozen there are 12 units. So 12 into 5, it is 60. 60 bulbs were purchased at the rate of 100 each, so it is 6000 rupees. Keep this thing in mind, okay. Then 20 power plugs at the rate of 80 each, so 25 into 80, it is 2000 rupees. Total 8000 rupees less 10% trade discount. 8000 minus 800, it is 7200 rupees. Freight was also mentioned, that we will record it in a separate column. So it is 7200 plus 75, 72,075 rupees. 7,275 rupees, not 1000, okay. 7,275 rupees, okay. So the total cost of purchases is 53,100. Freight charges is 75 rupees, okay. This will be shown in the purchases account, this in the freight inwards account.